Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to the section of JavaScript. This learning will be of complete newbies who don't know anything of JavaScript. So this is the introduction class of JavaScript, and in this class we will try to learn what is JavaScript and how it works. Friends, JavaScript is a client-side scripting language in web development. We have two types of languages. First is server-side and the other is client-side. So all the stuff that we do in HTML and CSS is counted under client side, and the stuff that we do in the PHP, databases, MySQL, all these are server side. JavaScript is not a server side language. It has nothing to do with servers or backends. JavaScript is a client side language which works on front end or user screen. Basically, JavaScript tells the browser how to behave when a user comes on the website, which element to show, which element to hide. All are decided and instructed by JavaScript to the web browser. I have seen many of beginner developers have a confusion between Java and JavaScript. Many of beginners says that they are the evolved versions of each other as C and C++ are. But I want to clear this doubt in this very first video that Java and JavaScript both are different languages. They have nothing to do with each other. Java is a programming language while this JavaScript is a scripting language. Java is a very complex language. It is used to develop games and softwares, but in JavaScript, we use it to develop our web pages. The syntax and writing methodology of both the languages are quite different, and there is nothing to relate between them. So let's come back to JavaScript. As many other languages can be used in HTML, JavaScript is one of those languages which can be used in HTML. All the browsers support JavaScript, all modern web browsers. So they have a plugin inbuilt installed on them which helps them to understand JavaScript. There is one more thing that you should know, that client-side languages deals with web browsers and server-side languages does not deal with web browsers. They require a server to deal with. If you open any website which is made under PHP or ASP, for example facebook.com or any other website like fake name generator, let me show you live on the screen. Okay. So I'm opening fake name generator. Here we are at the fake name generator, and you can see the URL that we have .php here, extension written over here, which means this page is built using PHP language. So it is obvious that the creator used PHP to develop this page. Now if I open its page source, so you can see that we have HTML code written here, and we have CSS also written on this page, and now you can see that we have JavaScript also written here, but there is no PHP written on this page. But we know that the page is made under PHP. This is because PHP does not deal with browsers, but JavaScript does. So that is why we have JavaScript written here and not PHP. Another major difference between these two is that in client-side language, when there is a mistake in the script, the browser does not execute the script and nothing changes on the browser. But in server-side language, when you make a mistake, the server tells the browser about the mistake and the error clearly visible on the screen. By default, the JavaScript plugin is enabled in web browser, but user has a capability that they can disable this plugin and the JavaScript will not load at that page. But JavaScript is now developed a lot that it can also be loaded in the browser where JavaScript is disabled. So now we know that what is a JavaScript. It is a client-side scripting language which can be written with HTML codes. It helps to make a static HTML page dynamic, and JavaScript makes an interactivity between the various elements of the web page. We will see about that later. We have a lot of functionalities that we can do with JavaScript. We will learn about them one by one in this course. From our next video, we will start being practical with JavaScript. I will show you its syntax and how to write it in an HTML documents. Thanks for watching.